Is your skin ready for the summer, or you are just hoping for the best? If you are wondering what is the right treatment this time of the year and how to properly prepare your skin before your holiday and take care of it after, then this video is for you. Hello, my name is Joanna and I'm a beauty therapist with nearly 20 years of experience in the beauty industry. And today I want to show you one of my most popular treatments for this time of year, the Signature Vitamin Recharge Facial. And this is a beautiful, energizing and nourishing treatment designed to support your skin exactly when it needs it the most, before and after sun exposure. So ideally you can have it a few days before your holiday to prepare your skin, and then again a few days after you come back to help your skin recover and rebalance. And the reason this treatment works so well, it's because it focuses on deep hydration, regeneration and antioxidant protection. It's suitable for all skin types, but especially beneficial if your skin feels tired, dull, dehydrated, sensitive after sun exposure and affected by pollution. So for example, you work in a big city, or if you spend a lot of time in air-conditioned environment. It is also a great option if you're starting to notice early signs of aging, or if your skin just feels a bit out of balance and not responding as well as it normally would to your skincare. So what kind of results can you expect? So first of all, deep nourishment and hydration. Your skin will feel softer, more comfortable and more balanced. And now you also notice improved elasticity and smoother texture, which means fine lines can appear less visible. And overall, your skin will look healthier, brighter and more radiant. That natural glow we all want for summer and beyond. And now let me tell you a little bit about what makes this treatment so effective. The ingredients. So during this facial, I mainly work with the multivitamin line, supported by a few products from the Hyaluronic Hyaluron Plus range for extra hydration. And the multivitamin line is packed with a powerful complex of vitamin, including vitamin A, B3, B6, C, E, F, provitamin B5 and coenzyme Q10. So you will also find here ingredients like lime and tangerine extracts, and then grapeseed oil, olive oil and shea butter. So what does all of this actually do for your skin? So those ingredients together work as antioxidants, which means they help to protect your skin from damage caused by things like sun exposure, pollution or lifestyle factors. And this is where you might have heard the term oxidative stress. So in simple terms, oxidative stress happens when your skin is overwhelmed by external factors and it can't repair itself efficiently anymore. So this can lead to things like dullness, loss of elasticity, fine lines and that tired, uneven look we often see after sun exposure, apart from being a little bit more bronzed. So by using antioxidant-rich treatments like this, we are helping the skin to protect itself, repair faster and maintain that healthy, youthful appearance for longer. So if you are looking for that perfect professional treatment around your holiday time, this is exactly where the Signature Vitamin Recharge Facial comes in. And now let me show you this treatment in action so you can see what it looks like, what to expect and what are the products which we are using during the treatment. So as with every treatment, we always start with a consultation. This is where I talk with my clients about their current skin condition, their lifestyle, medical background and their home skincare routine. Especially when the season change, it's really important to adjust your skincare, so we always go through that together. I also explain what the treatment will look like and what kind of results we can realistically expect. And then we move on to the skin analysis. In this case, my client arrived without makeup, so I can properly assess the skin and make sure the chosen treatment is the best on the day. And then we begin with a double cleanse. And for this step, I am using an ultra light vitamin cleansing milk, and this is a very nourishing lightweight lotion with a smooth texture and beautiful fresh citrusy scent, very summery and uplifting. It's suitable for all skin types and works gently to remove on any impurities while already starting to nourish and support the skin. And what I love about it is that even though it's a lotion, it doesn't leave any heavy or greasy film on the skin. So after the cleansing, we move into toner, and here I am using an Illuminating vitamin toner, which is alcohol free and again suitable for all skin types. This step helps to rebalance the skin, restore hydration and prepare it for the next stages of the treatment. It also gently brightens and smooths the complexion, giving the skin that fresh, healthy glow. And then we move on to gentle exfoliation, and for this I am using that enzymatic peel, and this is a very important step because instead of using anything too harsh, we are gently removing dead skin cells in a controlled and skin friendly way. This helps to improve texture, boost radiance, and most importantly allows all the active ingredients we apply afterwards to penetrate much more effectively into the skin. So after the enzyme peel, I move on to the next step of gentle exfoliation, that cavitation peeling. And this step helps to cleanse the skin even deeper, removing any remaining impurities and excess dead skin cells. But most importantly, it does it in a very gentle way. And that's the key here, because especially before or after sun exposure, we want to exfoliate the skin effectively, but without irritating it or compromising the skin barrier. And after the cavitation, we move on to the sonophoresis. And this is where we really start working deeper into the skin. And here I am using an energizing vitamin cocktail with coenzyme Q10 and a complex of vitamins. It's perfect for tired, dull, aging skin, helping to restore brightness, improve skin tone, and supports regeneration. Thanks to ingredients like vitamins, coenzyme Q10, and panthenol, it helps to strengthen the skin, hydrate it, and bring back that healthy glow. Next, we move on to one of the most relaxing part of the treatment, the massage. And for this step, I am using a product from the Hyaluron Plus line, an active moisturizing hyaluronic mask. And it has a beautiful, lightweight, creamy texture, which makes it perfect for massage. It deeply hydrates the skin, soothes any irritation, and helps to improve elasticity and smoothness. It's especially beneficial for dry, dehydrated skin, and it can be left on the skin overnight if you are using it at home. And after the massage, we move on to the next step, the algae mask. And here I am using Illuminating mask with vitamin C. This step is amazing for brightening the skin, supporting anti-aging, and strengthening the vascular system. It also helps to soothe the skin, lock in hydration, and enhance the absorption of all the active ingredients we have applied before. And once the mask is removed, we move to the final step, the skincare. So I apply one of my favorite products, that hyaluronic serum. This is a very lightweight gel serum, but it delivers deep, long-lasting hydration. It helps to bind moisture in the skin, smooth fine lines, and gives that plump, healthy look to the skin. And then we apply the eye cream. And this one is brightening, hydrating, and perfect if you struggle with dark circles or tired looking eyes. And after that, I finish with a nourishing vitamin cream, which also helps to regenerate the skin and restore comfort, especially for dry or dull complexion. And in between this line, you have two creams to choose from depending on the consistency and formula you like more. And finally, SPF, and this step is absolutely essential, especially in the summer. Here I am using an SPF product that also works as a lightweight coverage base, and it gives you that beautiful natural glow while protecting your skin at the same time. So that's the signature Vitamin Recharge Facial, a treatment designed to truly support your skin before and after the summer season. And if you feel like your skin needs a boost, a reset, or just a little bit of extra care, this is definitely a treatment worth trying. And if you would like to book your appointment, you can contact me directly or visit my website, and I would love to welcome you to the studio and create a treatment tailored just for you. And one more thing, that during this video you have also seen the products I use between the treatment, and many of them can be used in your home skincare routine as well, which I always highly recommend to maintain your results. And all of the products are available to purchase at my beauty studio, but if you prefer to shop online, you can also find them on the Clamant Salon Supplies website, and with my exclusive code JoannaB10 you will receive 10% off and free delivery. So if you decide to try anything, I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave the comment below. Wishing you a beautiful glowing summer, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!